evolving landscape. Here's the thing about AI, it's constantly evolving, which means we need to evolve too. Remember when we all thought flip phones were the height of technology? Yeah, those days are long gone. The same goes for skills. What we learned in school might not cut it in the age of AI. That's why it's crucial to keep learning and upskilling throughout our careers. Think of it like this. Learning new skills is like adding killer accessories to your professional wardrobe. It keeps you looking sharp, relevant, and ready to slay in the job market. Section 4. The changing face of the office. Remember those days of commuting in rush hour traffic, wearing uncomfortable office attire and attending endless meetings? It was a daily grind that many of us accepted as the norm. The hustle and bustle of the morning commute, the crowded elevators, and the long hours spent in a cubicle were all part of the traditional office experience. Well, AI is changing all of that too. With the rise of remote work and digital communication tools, the traditional office is becoming a thing of the past. No longer are we confined to a single location or a rigid schedule. The flexibility to work from home or any other place with an internet connection has revolutionized the way we approach our jobs. We can now work from anywhere in the world, collaborate with colleagues across continents, and attend virtual meetings in our pajamas, though I recommend a cute top, at least for video calls. This newfound freedom allows us to create a work environment that suits our personal preferences and lifestyles. Imagine sipping coffee in your favorite cafe while participating in a global team meeting or brainstorming ideas from the comfort of your living room. This shift towards a more flexible and digital workplace has its perks, but it also presents new challenges. While the benefits of remote work are numerous, such as reduced commuting time and increased autonomy, it requires us to adapt to new ways of staying productive and connected. The absence of face-to-face interactions can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation, and the lines between work and personal life can easily blur. We need to find ways to stay connected, maintain work-life balance, and avoid feeling like we're living in a constant state of digital overload. It's essential to establish boundaries, take regular breaks, and make time for activities that help us recharge. As we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial to leverage technology to foster collaboration and build a sense of community, even when we're miles apart. The changing face of the office is an exciting evolution, but it requires us to be mindful and intentional in how we approach our work and our well-being. Section 5. Finding balance in a digital world. So, how do we thrive in this brave new world of work? It's all about finding balance. We need to embrace the opportunities that AI presents while staying true to our human selves. That means setting boundaries between our work and personal lives, making time for self-care and real-life connections, and never forgetting the importance of human interaction. Remember, AI might be able to automate our tasks, but it can never replace our creativity, empathy, and ability to connect with one another on a human level. And those qualities, my friends, are what make us truly irreplaceable.